We are happy to be a partner with Byond28 to offer mothers and babies healthy recovery with benefits of ziaino as one of Panasonic's latest air cleaning technology to purify and deodorize large spaces.
Newborn babies spend around 90% of their time indoors. Indoor airborne pollutants can be anything from allergens like pollen and dust to harmful chemicals and cigarette smoke. This new technology can improve the indoor air quality in Byond28. It may help reduce the risk of babies developing allergies and other respiratory problems in the future, as well as improve sleeping patterns.
Mother need to have a positive mindset during breastfeeding. This will create prolactin and oxytocin hormone. With the support of Panasonic ziaino, a mother experiencing confinement in Byond28 will stay relaxed, calm, and happy, knowing that both her baby and herself are having better indoor air quality.
Confinement is a traditional Chinese practice for postnatal mothers to rest and recover their health after giving birth. In Malaysia, a newborn baby typically spends 2 days in the hospital and the remaining 28 days in confinement. At Byond28 Confinement Care, our philosophy is to support mothers beyond the standard 28 days of confinement. Our standalone building is designed with safety, security, and serenity in mind. The confinement center is beside a government reserve forest, providing readily accessible sunlight and fresh air. Our baby room is structured very similarly to a hospital setting, and the center has planned escape routes for mothers and baby in cases of any emergency. There are also around 100 CCTVs around the premise. Byond28 also provides many services in-house, such as confinement food, laundry, postnatal massage, yoga, hair spa, and community gatherings. The building is designed to provide a controlled environment for the mother and baby to have peace of mind. Now, the Panasonic ziaino further enhances our objective to promote this controlled environment for better indoor quality air in our confinement center. Over the past 2 years, Malaysia and the entire world has experienced growing concerns with the COVID-19 pandemic, hand-foot-mouth disease, and other infections. With Panasonic ziaino, we can establish a clean environment for postnatal mothers and newborn babies to live happily and safely during their first month of life.
Panasonic.